everyone. My name is Nivriti and I study in class 5G after public school Nord Extension. Today, I am going to show you an egg floating experiment. We need 3 glasses of water, 1 cup of salt and 3 eggs. In the first glass, we'll add 4 spoons of salt. In the second glass, we'll add 2 spoons of salt. And in the third glass, no salt. Now we're going to mix the water. Now in the second glass, we'll mix. But not in the third glass because we hadn't added any salt in that. Now, let's add the eggs. In the first glass, you see the egg did not float. Now let's try the other. It floated a little. Now let's try this one. It's floating. It is floating. You can see a top portion of the egg is floating. That's why it is called an egg floating experiment. Thank you.